How to download Valorant on PC. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide or tutorial in order to download and install Valorant on your PC. It's free and official, so let's get started. So we can head over to a browser, Chrome or Edge, and once you are headed over there, we can just go over and search for Valorant directly and hit enter, and we can look out for Play Valorant official site, this one right here, and click on it and open up the site directly. Now from here we can directly find this option called Play for Free. You can click on this option, and when you do, you'll be given an option to choose up a platform where you would like to download it. So we have PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. If you want to download it on PC, you need to click on this option called PC. And if you have a Riot account, you can sign in, or if you do not have one, you can create one at the moment. For now, we're just going to head over and sign in with our Riot account. And once you are signed in, you can scroll down and look out for this option called download and click on it. And you can start downloading it. You can look out for the exe file directly available for Valorant. You can just go over and use that extension available in order to download the application. This is one of the way possible. If not this, you can look out for Epic Games Launcher. You can look out for Epic Games Launcher on your device. You may also find it there if you've already installed that launcher. So you can just go and look out for it and search for Valorant directly here. So once it is launched, you can just go over and search for Valorant. So you may go ahead and look out for Valorant, this one right here, and look out for the extension. It is a free game. You just need to download it and launch that installer, and it will install the Valorant game onto your device. You can just go and log in, let the full game download, which is up to 30 to 50 GB depending upon updates. You can just go and use it and download the application onto your device. And Valorant does not natively run on Mac OS without workarounds like boot camp, so make sure you have enough space for that. And if your download install gets stuck, you can try restarting your PC. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.